Hi Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for those who are in communication, even if it's just a little bit. And you will be coming into union. That's the energy art channel. So if you're not sure if this reading is for you, I do have another playlist for those who are in separation and no communication. So you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. And it is not gender specific, it's a timeless reading and it's only Gemini energy. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. My details are below. My specials for November is out on Facebook and Instagram. My links are below, you can get them there. And please remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, please, Gemini. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can improve my channel for you. So I really appreciate your support on that. And let's see what's happening for you. First card that came out was the Five of Coins. And the Five of Coins is being left out in the cold. Being left out in the cold. This could be you that have put yourself in this situation. That you are taking time out to really think about things. Make sure this is what you want. But this could also be you. I pick up on two storylines here. Or this could be, for some Geminis, you are putting yourself out in the cold here. You're taking a break, you are thinking about things. You've probably been left out in the cold in the past, and your twin flame or soulmate has come around again. They are communicating, and you're kind of not sure. You're not sure if this is going to happen again, and you are not taking action because of that. Putting yourself out in the cold, think about things, not sure if you want to go down that path again, kind of thing. For other Geminis, this is you feeling left out in the cold. You may have broken this up with your twin flame or soulmate in the past year. You may have walked away from them, and you're kind of not sure if you will be welcomed back in fully. I do feel this was a very warm and loving connection in the past before there was a separation or a breakup. And you're kind of not sure if that same warmth is going to be there again, whether you will be welcomed back fully. And you're kind of maybe communicating a little bit, but not sure if you are going to be welcomed back in by your twin flame or soulmate. You really just want to celebrate. You just really want to celebrate this love. You want to come into union with your person. But for some, as I said, you feel unsure whether you will be welcomed back in. So you're kind of not taking action yet. For others that are taking time out to think about things, I feel there was a third party situation. Your person had a third party. And that left you pretty much out in the cold. And you are not sure. You're not sure if that third party situation has ended fully. They might be communicating with you at this stage, but as I said, you're not sure if that third party situation is done and over with, and you're kind of just taking time out to really think about things. Do you want to go down that path again? Do you want to be put out in the cold again? Not really sure whether or not you want to go down that path again, as I said. Number 5 is also about major changes. So you've been going through quite a bit of changes here, Gemini. And I do feel, yes, your twin flame or soulmate may have left you in the past. They may have walked away. They may have put an end to this connection. Or you are the one that did that with this death card. You made an end to it. Death is also about rebirth. So I do feel you do want rebirth in this connection, but you do not want to go down the same path that's just going to lead to another ending, being left out in the cold. Yeah. So for those that are not sure if you will be welcomed back in fully by your person, Gemini, you may have had a third party situation and you do want rebirth in this connection, but you you're not feeling sure your person is going to welcome you back in. And for those that your twin flame or soulmate had the third party situation and left you out in the cold, and you're also not sure if you want to be going towards them right now. I feel with this, you do want rebirth. You want rebirth in this connection, but you want it in a proper way. You feel unsure if you go towards this, if it's actually going to give you that beautiful outcome that you are looking for. So you are pretty guarded still, guarding your heart. Yeah. Or that skeleton that wears a heavy armor. I feel this situation doesn't matter if you were the one with a third party and you're not sure if you're going to be welcomed back in or your person at the third party. Either way, I feel like this whole situation caused, yes, massive transformation within yourself, but it also, I almost want to say, it really killed your spirit. It really killed you, made you feel dead inside, Gemini. Really made you feel dead inside, emotionless, paralyzed, couldn't get up. Even if you're the one that had the third party, I don't feel like you had this third party situation. You got involved with another romantic partner because it's something you wanted to do. Your twin flame or soulmate may have walked away from you. I feel both of you have walked away from each other in the past year. But they could have walked away and then you walked away and they got a third party. It's yeah, there's quite a story that comes out here. But if you're the one that had the third party situation, I do not feel you were in that situation because you chose them over your twin flame or soulmate. There might have been a different reason. You might have thought they moved on and then got involved with the third party situation, or you could have been married and decided to stay with the kids and the wife or the baby mama. Yeah, okay. This could be different for a few Geminis out there. Take it as it resonates for you. I'll just pick up on the energy and I will give you what I get. Even if the cards do not show that. Well, at this stage, there's you in this hanged man energies, similar energy to the Five of Coins here. Waiting. Hangman is about waiting, making that voluntary sacrifice to wait. And I feel like you just feel like time is just going by, nothing is changing, nothing is moving, there's no action. And I feel like you've been waiting for a long time, either waiting for a long time and not making any kind of a moves towards your twin flame or soulmate here. There's the reverse Page of Cups, not making that move, not making that offer, or you are the one that has been waiting for that offer to come in and you've been waiting for a very long time here. Waiting for that offer, but you're still waiting. You're either still waiting to make that offer of love or you're still waiting for them to make that offer of love that is just not coming in. Pages are messengers, it's a younger energy as well. So, so that message of love is also not coming in or you're not sending it. There might be communication. If there's not communication yet, there's going to be communication very soon because this playlist is for those that are in communication, even if it's just a little bit, or it's about to come in. But the Page of Cups is very sweet, he's romantic, he sends love messages, he likes to message and flirt. And having this card in reverse, there's no messages. You're not sending them or you're not receiving those messages of love. There might be communication, but it's not love orientated, it's not romantic. It's just not coming in or it's not moving in that direction yet, either not from you or from your twin flame or soulmate. There's still a lot of waiting energy here. But whether you are waiting for something to kind of, maybe you're waiting for a clue, for a sign that you will be welcomed back in, or you are waiting for that love message to come from your twin flame or soulmate. But either way, you are waiting, you're making that sacrifice for them to wait. But I feel like you're getting a bit impatient. Yeah, Gemini. I had another reading with a similar energy. Let me check. It was Aries. Aries had a similar energy that came out. So if you've got Aries in your chart, or your person has got Aries in their chart somewhere, do have a look at the Aries reading as well. It was a very similar, energy that came out. That waiting, getting impatient, waiting. In yours, I get less of an impatience. I do get impatience. I do pick up on impatience, but I'm here picking up on that fear of being left out in the cold again. And with this death, that being guarded, guarding your heart, yeah. Or fear that you won't be welcomed back in, that fear that your person has got their guard up, that they're not going to allow you back in. But either way, whatever story resonates with you, you do want to make the effort. You do feel this love is a great love and worth taking the steps you feel guided to take. So I do believe you are going to make that effort, whether you are the one that needs to come forward or you're waiting for your person. Otherwise, I feel you're the one that's going to take action, yeah, and you're going to make an effort or make some kind of an effort to get things moving here. And as I said, there's that patience. This God is saying, patience, please. What you're asking for is coming about. Have patience, as there's unforeseen factors that needs to occur. I do not feel you being patient here. I pick up on a little bit of impatience, but you're still waiting. So in some sense, you are being patient, but I'm starting to get that feeling that your patience are starting to run out. But there's more fear coming from you here. Aries had the very impassioned energy, but it was similar. It was a similar energy. I'm going to leave it there, Gemini. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. You can get my specials for November on Facebook and Instagram. My links are below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It will be at the bottom here somewhere. And help me get to that 1,000 subscribers so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Gemini.